fans, welcome back to my channel. It's yet another recipe again, and for today we're making one of my favorite juice, which is the pineapple juice. It's quite easy to make and also delicious and healthy. So let's get right into the video. For ingredients, I need a whole pineapple, a shot glass of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar syrup, and half a slice of lime. So now I'll start by peeling off the back of my pineapple. Few people love to use the back as well by making their own pineapple juice, depending on your preference, but for me, I'll stick to the sauce. So after that, I will chop my pineapple into tiny bits, wash it with clean water, and now I'm adding it into my blender. So after adding my chopped pineapple into the blender, I'm taking my shot glass of lemon juice, adding that to it, and as well squeezing in my sliced half lime into it as well, and adding a teaspoon of sugar syrup to it, just to give it an extra taste, since I like my juice a bit extra. So now I'm going in by covering the contents and blending, ensuring that the blender blends the entire content in it, so to avoid any form of seed or anything. So when you look into it, it looks very smooth and nice and juicy. So to serve, I'm going to be using ice blocks, since I like it cold, chilled. So now I'm adding my pineapple to my cup, and to drink it, I love to drink with a straw, so I'll be adding that as well, so I could enjoy my glass of pineapple juice, garnishing with pineapple, the slice of pineapple, and mint leaf to it as well. So this is a simple video of how I make my pineapple juice. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.